If I ain't with the gang, I'm still with my gun. Bitch, what was you thinking? Don't care if I'm out of the game and watching my son, my nigga, I'm squeezing. Yeah. Since I was a youngin', I knew I was it before I put my feet in. Everything that I'm seeing, I already seen it, cause I used to dream it. Yeah. Moving weight like a kingpin, 25 on my wheat Timbs.
What's going on YouTube? How is everybody doing? I hope everybody's doing well. It's your boy DSDM back again with another video for you guys. As you guys can see, we have the Air Jordan 7 Ray Allen PEs on deck. About to give you guys a detailed review and an on feed, so stay tuned for that on feed at the end of the video. But before we get into this video, make sure you hit that thumbs up, click that subscribe button, and don't forget to click the notification bell so you guys get notified when I upload videos like these. These are set to release June 1st. Retail is going to be 190 bucks. Now, you know, these are a Jordan 7. A lot of people don't really like 7s like that. I don't know why. They're real comfortable and all around. I think this colorway is just sick. Like dope colorway. Of course, you can see you got that Milwaukee Bucks green on there. This is not the PE, the real PE. I'll show you guys the original look right now. It would have been dope if it would have been in leather like the other one, but what are you going to do? Here goes the Jordan box is coming in. The 11s came in this box. A lot of other numbers has been coming in this box. Size tag reads Air Jordan 7 Retro. The colorway is black, field purple. Retails 190. Like I said, these were June 1st. As you can see, the whole shoe features a nice black Nubuck. Starting off at the front, as you can see, you got your black Nubuck on the front of the toe box. You got your purple over here. Now, going up, you got black laces. Does come with metal lace tips with the white Jumpman on there. I don't know if y'all can pick that up. Got the white Jumpman with the metal black lace tips. Let's get to the tongues. Everyone knows that the Jordan 7 tongues pattern on the tongue is different. The pattern, you can see both of mine is different. But dope. You got the green with the white, with the purple, with the gray, all on the tongue. Of course, it does say Air Jordan. We do have the purple Jumpman right there stitched in. Very, very nice, in my opinion. You got your all black Nubuck on the upper, black midsole with your purple and gray on the peaks. When you look at the shoe, there's like a little. You see these little two parts right here. These parts right here. For some reason, when you look at it's translucent, and it has that translucent green like the Milwaukee Bucks color. It's like that green right there. So when you're in the light, you can see it's like a greenish, darkish greenish. But when you like chilling like regular without light, it looks black. I think that's pretty dope, right? Let's get to the medial side of the shoe. Medial, same as the lateral. Take a look. As you can see, you got your black Nubuck all throughout the upper. Black on the midsole with your purple and gray peak right there. Alright, let's get to the back of the shoe. Back of the shoe, take a look. As you can see, you got your pull tab in the gray. You got your 23 back there with your 7 and the arrow going down. The Bordeaux 7s is one of my favorite 7s of all times. And the Raptor 7s. As you can see on the tongue, the booty does come the same. You can see on the side over here, does come with that nice pattern with the different colors all throughout the booty of the shoe. And the sock liner in the booty is all purple. All purple inner sole with the Ray signature right there with him shooting the ball. Very, very nice, man. Take a look at the bottom. You got that translucent parts of the green. I don't know if y'all can pick it up, man, when I move it around or something. But it's got that green in the bottom. You got your black, purple, and gray with the white Jumpman right there. Just looking real dope, man. Jordan 7's bottoms is really nice. You know what I'm saying? These are just nice. The colorway's dope. The material on the shoe is okay. You know, it's not the best Nubuck on here, but it's pretty nice, you know. Looks like it'll keep pretty clean, I hope. And yeah, all around, dope shoe. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. Is this going to be a cop? Is this going to be a pass? Thank you guys, all you guys out there, man. Stay tuned. Got more videos to come. We're about to get into this on feet. Get it. Let's go. It's your boy D is Dan. and I'm gone.